The Ulefone Armor 34 Pro is no doubt one of the most loaded rugged phones this year, and what really stands out is the built-in projector. It's got a 480p resolution, 150 lumens brightness, and can go up to a 100-inch screen. You also get keystone correction and a quick access button to turn it on or off instantly. Now, compared to the Tank 3 Pro, this projector actually feels more usable, especially with Widevine L1, so you can stream Netflix or Prime in HD without issues. Spec-wise, it's got a 6.9-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display, Dimensity 7300 processor with 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, and runs on latest Android 15. Cameras include a 50-megapixel main, 64-megapixel night vision, and 50-megapixel ultra-wide, plus a 32-megapixel selfie with support up to 4K video. And yeah, the battery is wild. With a 25,500 mAh monster with 66-watt fast charging and even reverse charging. It's fully rugged too, with IP68, IP69K military standards, and supports USmart 2.0 accessories, Wi-Fi 6, and even Google Gemini AI. If you're deciding between this and the Tank 3 Pro, and you care about projection and balanced features, the Armor 34 Pro takes the lead. Let me know your pick in the comments, and if you enjoyed this quick breakdown, drop a like and subscribe for more.